For years, we've accepted a lie that mobile gaming controllers are just glorified phone clips. They're flimsy, they break, and they only work with one thing, your phone. That era is officially over. This is the Backbone Pro Xbox Edition. It's $180. That's $70 higher than the original, and the same price as an Xbox Elite controller. So you have to ask, why? Is it an engineering triumph, finally giving us the one controller that can do it all? Or is it a $180 premium ticket to the exact same longevity problems that killed its predecessor? We bought one and took it apart. This is the only analysis you need. The core question isn't whether it's good, it's about its identity. The original Backbone 1 was a portable, low-latency mobile companion. The Pro model, however, has fundamentally changed its purpose. It's no longer just a mobile accessory. It's designed for multi-device environments. Backbone built the Pro to be a universal wireless controller. The key change? Dual connectivity. We still have the essential ultra-low latency USB-C wired connection, but now we also have robust Bluetooth LE wireless connectivity, powered by a massive 40-hour internal battery. Why does a phone controller need a 40-hour battery? Because the moment you unplug it, it transforms. This feature, dubbed FlowState, lets you seamlessly connect to your PC, your tablet, or your smart TV. This single architectural shift justifies a huge chunk of the $70 price increase. Let's talk about the physical upgrades that justify the Pro label. First, ergonomics. The new design features a larger form factor and dramatically sculpted anti-fatigue grips. This is a direct response to criticism of the predecessor's slim profile. It feels like a genuine console controller in your hand, a massive improvement for long sessions. Second, customization. A true Pro controller needs advanced inputs. The Backbone Pro delivers with two discrete, customizable rear buttons positioned on the inner grips. This is a core feature for competitive players and was completely absent from the standard model. Now for the technical head-scratcher, the component paradox. For the triggers, Backbone made the right call: Hall effect sensors. These are non-contact, magnetic sensors that eliminate mechanical wear, giving you superior longevity, and that buttery smooth actuation. Perfect. But then we look at the joysticks. They're upgraded to full-size ALPS joysticks for better feel and throw distance, which is great, but they are still based on the old-school potentiometer system. What does that mean? It means these sticks are still susceptible to wear and, yes, drift. This is a massive compromise. Some cheaper competitors, like the GameSeer G8, have already moved to full Hall effect sticks for drift immunity. Backbone prioritized a specific tactile feel over long-term guaranteed durability. If you're an Xbox gamer, this is your controller. The Pro is officially licensed, featuring the unique translucent green finish, inspired by the original Xbox console. More importantly, the dedicated Xbox button provides instantaneous access to the Xbox dashboard and features like cloud gaming and remote play. It creates a truly seamless first-party user experience. And to seal the deal, every purchase includes a free 1-month subscription to Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. That's about $30 of value right out of the box. This is not just a controller, it's a dedicated portal to the Microsoft ecosystem. This is where the price and the reality of the Pro collide. For $180, you expect flawless engineering. But the Backbone lineage has an infamous critical weakness: the internal flexible ribbon cable. This cable connects the two halves of the controller, and in the previous generation, it would frequently wear out or crimp due to the repeated stress of opening and closing the unit, often leading to unresponsive left-side controls after less than a year. This was a systemic defect. The problem? Backbone has not publicly disclosed any specific structural redesign or material reinforcement to address this critical stress point. Despite all the premium upgrades, the better triggers, the sculpted grips, the Backbone Pro remains subject to the risk of this serious legacy defect. Until we get definitive engineering confirmation, this $180 device carries an unquantified long-term risk. So, how does the $180 price tag hold up against the competition? Take the GameSeer G8 Galileo Plus. It's often priced significantly lower, and crucially, it uses full Hall sensor technology for both its sticks and triggers. In terms of raw component longevity and drift immunity, the GameSeer G8 Plus is technically superior. The G8 is the durability king. The Pro's advantage is the polished FlowState wireless versatility and the superior ergonomics of the sculpted grips. Then we have the Razer Kishi Ultra. This is also a console-like large grip controller with Hall effect triggers. But the key distinction is that the Kishi Ultra typically restricts connectivity to wired USB-C mode, lacking the battery and wireless versatility that defines the Backbone Pro's utility and higher price point. And finally, let's talk about the hidden cost, the Backbone Plus subscription. The controller is fully functional without the subscription, allowing users to attach the controller and open any compatible game directly. But the crucial ability to remap buttons and save control profiles, a core feature for a controller designated Pro, is explicitly tied to the optional membership. You buy a $180 piece of hardware, but to get its maximum customization, you have to engage with a recurring revenue model. That significantly dilutes the product's value proposition. The final verdict is complex but clear. The Backbone Pro Xbox Edition is an engineering triumph in utility, combining superior console-grade ergonomics, reliable Hall effect triggers, and the essential versatility of dual-mode connectivity. So, should you buy it? For the cross-platform power user, highly recommended. If you need a single controller that delivers low-latency wired mobile gaming and a comfortable, high-quality Bluetooth experience across PC, tablet, and TV, the investment is justified by the unique FlowState versatility and superior ergonomic design. For the mobile purist or durability buyer, consider alternatives. Users who demand absolute component longevity should examine controllers that offer full Hall effect coverage for both sticks and triggers, such as the GameSeer G8 Plus. For those solely interested in the core mobile experience, the standard Backbone 1 Gen 2 remains a significantly more cost-effective option. Ultimately, the Backbone Pro is the controller for the modern, multi-screen gamer who is willing to accept a tactile compromise on the joysticks and a monetization compromise on the software. The utility is unmatched, but the durability question remains. Let me know in the comments, would you spend $180 on a controller that can drift for the sake of wireless versatility? If you found this analysis helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the latest tech. And check the links in the description for the best current price on the Backbone Pro and its competitors. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.